Hello guys, I'm Iceman404. I'm back with part 4 of our Vim tutorial series. Today I'm going to teach you about copy paste in Vim. So let's start with our text. But before that, I want to give you some tips and tricks about editing text. The left out commands or the missed commands in the previous video. By now you have figured out that if you wanted to delete a single line, you press or you use the dd command, but you can combine, you can put numbers between dd and cw commands. It works like a grammar in a certain way. So if you want to delete 3 or 4 lines, you can just put the numbers as per your desire. If I want to delete this 7, 8 and 9 line, these are 3 lines, I would simply do D3D, and that would delete those 3 lines. You can just play around with this in an easy way, and this can go a long way. If I want to delete everything from below 7, I can just use the delete command with the D and capital Z. So capital Z was to the end of this paragraph to delete the entire thing. Let's undo this. Or if I wanted to delete something that is above this 7 number line, I could simply do delete and ZZ. That means our previous command of ZZ would take us to the top of the paragraph of that single page, and it got deleted. So this is another tip for editing text in Vim. Now what is left? We use the dd, and also sometimes exchanging single characters come in handy. Let's say in case of this number, if I wanted to exchange 41 with each other and make 14, I could simply use xp command and it would swap these 2 characters in between. This should also come in handy in terms of number, just like that, and xp. But the main motive of today's video is I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Vim. So to copy in Vim, we simply use Y command. It's actually Y key. Y stands for yank, and that is what we do when we wanted to copy. Let's start by copying a word, a single word. For copying single word, let's say I want to copy ranks. This is a single word, and I would simply do YW. It is copied. Now if I want to paste this thing right after history, just press the P button and it will paste it. Or you can put a space and paste. This is as simple as it gets. Now this can be combined with the delete word to swap 2 words in between. For example, let's use this technique to swap these 2 words, popular and most. Swapping of word. How can we swap words? First of all, I copy popular with the yank key, YW. It's copied. Now what I do is I delete this popular word, and I am going to paste it right here. So these 2 words are swapped. So yank is a very powerful copying command in Vim. It can be combined with numbers like in previous way. If you put a yank word and if you put number in between the Y and W, you can copy as much word as you want. So if I wanted to really copy this 4 words, okay, there are 5 words, what I do is Y, 5 and W. I just copy the first 5 words after the cursor. most probably it copied rank as one of the, let's paste and see. It copied it. This is the powerful yank command. Now to copy entire line we just use YY, that means yank complete line. In order to check this, I paste here, it copied the entire line. Paste. See, I want to copy this 4 lines from 7 to 10, from this 7 to 10 number. What I do is simply I use the command Y3Z. That means beginning from this 7th line, it just copies the next 3 line as well, and in total it copied 4 lines. So if I want to paste it with the P command, the 4 lines are copied. So this is another powerful feature that can be used to copy and paste in a very powerful way. This is the power of Vim. Okay, this was for today, guys. Now you can keep practicing with these new tips and tricks and build that muscle memory. Till then, happy using Vim.